Hi guys, welcome to the 1 minute review. Today we are going to review Apple Watch Series 6. If you want to buy this watch you can buy right now by checking the link in the description. Apple Watch Series 6 is the best smartwatch overall. The Apple Watch Series 6 is the best Apple Watch yet. It builds on everything we appreciated about the Series 5, from the always-on display to the collection of health features, with an even brighter screen and added blood oxygen reader. Plus the Apple Watch comes in color for the first time. The exclusive blue and product red finishes are absolutely eye-catching. While we would have liked to see the Apple Watch improve its 18-hour battery life, the Series 6 does benefit from faster charging. You can completely juice it up in just 90 minutes, which comes in handy for wearing, instead of charging it overnight. Yes, the Apple Watch 6 has sleep tracking, too, thanks to watchOS 7. Last year's software update also added new watch faces, mobility metrics and an automatic hand-washing timer, as well as Apple Fitness Plus support, and with watchOS 8 just revealed, expect more features to come to Apple's watches later this year. For more details and latest prices, check the links in the description. I hope this 1-minute review will be informative for you. If this review is helpful, then please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.